Hello everyone, I am Tenzin from China. Currently, I'm standing at the Delta platform on the east side of the Potala Palace.
This platform serves as the entrance for tourists and pilgrims, granting them access to the Red Palace within the Potala Palace complex. At the southeast corner of the Daeungshar platform, you will find the Information and Command Center. This center is responsible for the day-to-day management services of the palace. Let's go have a look together.
这里是布达拉宫管理处遗产监测中心。遗产监测中心的主要职能是为布达拉宫强险加固、修缮工程、安全技术防范工程等重大保护工程提供必要的监测数据，以及为布达拉宫遗产保护提供决策性依据。布达拉宫综合管理平台集合了12个子系统，其中包括结构监测、电力监测、环境监测等监测系统，全方位地监测布达拉宫建筑和公藏文物的安全情况。
The structure monitoring system of the Potala Palace looks at 4 aspects: wood structures, wall structures, water levels, and settling and earthquake response. Different functional monitoring sensors are installed on the wood structures at key locations and on walls with potential problems. The monitoring system collects data in real time and conducts a comparative analysis. If any data fluctuations are detected, the monitoring center staff will promptly notify maintenance personnel to investigate the situation. Dynamic earthquake sensors installed at 6 locations in the main building analyze seismic data following earthquakes at the palace and in surrounding areas. They produce a written assessment report on the impact of any earthquakes on palace structures. The structural monitoring data and pedestrian flow load data provide an effective scientific reference basis for controlling the number of visitors. The structural monitoring system has shifted the Potala Palace from a passive situation of repair after an incident to a model of proactive prevention in which risk can be discovered in advance. Proactive measures can then be taken to ensure the safety of the palace. Further, the power monitoring system can promptly detect electrical safety hazards, send real-time warning messages, and prevent fires. The environmental monitoring system monitors the temperature, humidity, light radiation, polluting gases, and harmful organisms in the environment for the preservation of cultural relics. This provides a scientific basis for the conservation and protection of the relics. What we're seeing is precise mapping in a 3-dimensional model of the Potala Palace. This model can display the external form of the palace, and each level can be horizontally and vertically sectioned, providing a very clear view. The completion of the 3-dimensional model plays a very important role in helping us understand the intricate internal layout of the palace. Additionally, in the event of an unavoidable problem in the future, we can also use the precise mapping to guide the restoration and repair work in a proportional manner.
Modern technology, the internet, and the big data have been utilized to establish a comprehensive management platform for the Potala Palace. This platform serves as a vital role in the daily management and scientific protection of the palace's ancient buildings and the cultural relics. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.